To start your experiment with the Lux2 Dual Kit, simply place your culture vessels on the sample stage. The open design accommodates flasks, multi-well plates, and petri dishes. To connect the first device, insert the wire into the USB 3 port of your PC or laptop. Finding the right focus for your sample can be done in the application interface and does not require any manual manipulation inside the incubator. Now repeat to connect and focus the second device. The focus setting is reflected in real time on the screen. Simply slide the blue dot along the focus track. For fine focus adjustments, try pressing the plus or minus buttons at the bottom of the screen. Once in focus, you can start the experiment by selecting the button on the bottom right corner of the screen. After starting the experiment, the Lux2 Dual Kit will collect images to create time-lapse videos of both samples simultaneously. The data can be viewed from inside or outside of the lab via a secure remote access to the CytoSMART cloud. Once in the CytoSMART cloud, the images are automatically and quickly analyzed for various applications such as cell proliferation or migration. Here, the cell confluency of both samples has been plotted in a single graph to compare the proliferation rate over time. For a complete overview of the Lux2 Dual Kit and to request a personal demonstration, please visit cytosmart.com.